Hello, Facebook. Hello, good morning, good afternoon, whenever you're tuning in. It is Chef Marcus Guiliano here. It is St. Patrick's Day, and I am getting ready to go live here, and it looks like I am live now. Hello, everybody. Chef Marcus Guiliano here. Happy St. Patrick's Day. It is St. Patrick's Day. So, 2 years ago, we missed St. Patrick's Day because of COVID. This is the first day here in New York that restaurants were officially shut down. So that's when it started all 2 years ago. Hopefully we're long past that now. So let's talk team training. Team training. First off, for tips and tricks on how to run a restaurant, go to Restaurant Growth Secrets University. If you don't want to spell it out, you don't have to. RGS University, Restaurant Growth Secrets, rgsuniversity.com. If you do not want to spell out the domain name, if you do, restaurantgrowthsecretsuniversity.com. That is our domain name. That has lots of videos on there, lots of things to run a restaurant, and even you can hire me to help you one-on-one or in a group setting, and you will soon be able to purchase our staff training program, which is an accountability program, which is fantastic. And it comes with group coaching, which is even better. So, but more of that later in other videos, and as soon as we launch that, we're beta testing that right now with some clients. So, all right, folks. How do you, people ask me, well, Marcus, I don't know what to train my staff on. I don't know what I should be doing. So here's the biggest key to staff training. We all know that staff training is something you do, not something you did. And the same thing should be exactly the same for your, whatever program you're using, whatever your content is for your content creation, for your staff training program, should be something you keep doing, not something you did once. So don't expect to make 50 videos or 30 videos or 20 videos and quizzes or whatever, and have that be your ongoing training program, and never touch it again. What we like to do, and what we find most effective to keeping the best program going, is on your weekly meetings. Yes, you should have weekly meetings, or whether you're doing daily meetings with the wait staff, a little roundup for 5-10 minutes. There should be one topic that you want to discuss that maybe takes up to 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, maybe 3 minutes. One topic that you want somebody to record you. If you're on a Zoom call, you record the Zoom, and then you edit that part out and put it onto your Vimeo or YouTube channel, and then you use that video inside of your program you're using to distribute this content. So soon you'll be able to use Restaurant Growth Secrets University, and there's quizzes. They'll be held accountable. They'll be ranked. All that kind of stuff. You can log in and see all the activity of all of your team members. They can see their activity compared to other people's activity, which is really cool. So it's really an awesome system. So now. So if you took the next 52 weeks and did one topic, just one topic, and made a 5-minute video on one topic for the next 52 weeks, in 1 year, you'll have 52 new topic videos. And these can be things like role-playing, discussing the customer's objections, like, oh, your food is too expensive, or you don't have a children's menu. Things like, oh, you don't have, the parking there is not that great. You need to have reasons on hand for why people are going to object to your business to come giving you money, and your staff needs to be trained on that, so they can just, very easily just debunk that, very easily soothe the customer, or do whatever they need to do, and get them over that to the next level to feel comfortable with coming to visit you and to purchase and to give you money. So you can do objections, you can do role-playing, lots of role-playing. You can figure out what went wrong that week somewhere. One of the staff members can say, I had a problem with this week. I didn't know this, or this is what happened. And that's your topic, and that's what you focus on, and that's your 5-minute video, your 3-minute video. That's the video using your training program. And then as your new staff members come in, at a certain point, this video will drip to them, and they're going to go on. They're like, wow, there's just an endless slew of content going on. Now, we all know that every team member doesn't show up to every meeting. If you do workshops, we do workshops. And we have a problem sometimes with every single team member showing up. So now that video, that topic from that week, then goes onto our platform and gets sent out to everybody, and they have to answer 3, 4, 5 questions from that topic. And they can't get to the next video unless they answer the questions. So this is a much more comprehensive way of doing training. But this is how you build content, folks. You build content by creating constant content, just like you do constant training. There's always something to role play. There's always an objection to handle. There's always something that a team member learned that week that they can share that you did not think that was going to be beneficial for the others that actually is beneficial. And then when people log into your program when they first come on board, they're like, wow, this is a very comprehensive program on training. And at that point, a lot of it is on autopilot. So, but keep doing the content, just keep filming, keep documenting, keep filming, keep going. And by the time you know it in a year, you're going to have the best restaurant training program out there. You're going to have one of the best teams out there. And by the way, folks, it takes a lot more than just showing videos and doing quizzes to have a fantastic team. And that's all covered in one of my books, 50 Mistakes That Business Owners Make. You have to treat your team like like you're their life coach and helping them get through some of their goals in life and hardships and making them realize that they can be a better person, perform better, and they'll come to work and perform better. It's one of those things that, the happier they are all around, the happier the better they're going to perform. So, all right, folks, that's it. Have a great day, everybody. Just drop a comment. Tag a chef, tag a restaurant owner. If you are a restaurant owner, drop a comment. Really, really appreciate that. Restaurant Growth Secrets University, or rgsuniversity.com. Check it out. We'll see you over there.